Hi, I'm Dr. Sandrhea. I'm a general dentist at Go Dental Clinic. General dental practice involves the maintenance of health through the assessment, diagnosis, management, treatment, and prevention of any disease in the oral cavity and its associated structures. During your first appointment, I will do a comprehensive dental examination and check the overall status of your teeth. A 3D charting is done while I check your teeth individually to record any findings, followed by an intraoral photographs. 3D charting is our guide on how we are going to plan your treatment. During my treatment discussion with you, I will explain to you in detail where are the problematic areas and how we can treat them. At the end of your visit, I will provide you a treatment plan, which will be the list of all the treatment that I recommend, which is broken down into different phases according to priority. The scope of a general dentist is vast, and almost all of your dental needs can be performed by a general dentist. Replacement of missing teeth with bridges and dentures, fixing a broken tooth with a filling or veneer, smile makeovers, and oral hygiene maintenance and prevention like regular cleaning are just some of the examples. Let me fix your teeth and come visit me at Go Dental Clinic.